This lecture is on coordination chemistry nomenclature. Since coordination compounds are water-soluble, naming these compounds is similar to naming an ionic compound. Example 1 is NaCl, where the cation is sodium and the anion is chloride. Example 2 is CuNO32, where the cation is copper-2 and the anion is nitrate. Naming coordination compounds are as follows. 1. In the coordination complex, name each ligand. A. Neutral ligands are molecules and named as is. Examples include H2O is aqua and NH3 is amine. B. Anionic ligands will end in one of the following. 1. I becomes O. 2. A becomes ato. 3. I becomes ito. 2. For the coordination complex, name the ligands in ABC order. Example 1. If the complex has NH3 and Cl- ligands, NH3 goes first because amine comes before chloro for Cl- by ligand name. Example 2. If you have Cn- and Br- ligands, Br- goes first because bromo comes before for Cn- by ligand name. 3. If you have multiple ligands, use the following prefixes. 2 for di, 3 for tri, 4 for tetra, 5 for penta, 6 for hexa. An example is if you have 4 Cl- ligands, then you would say tetrachloro. If the ligand has a prefix already in its name and you have multiple ligands, use the following prefixes. 2 for bis, 3 for tris, 4 for tetrakis. An example is if you have 2 ethylene diamine ligands, you would say bis ethylene diamine. 4. For the complex ion, if the overall charge is a cation, the last part of the name is to name the metal followed by the charge in Roman numerals in parentheses. Examples include Cl3 plus is cobalt 3, Pb2 plus is lead 2, Au plus is gold 1. If the overall charge is an anion, the last part of the name must end with 8, followed by the charge in Roman numerals in parentheses. Examples include CO3 plus is cobaltate 3, Pb2 plus is plumbate 2, Au plus is aurate 1. Five. Write the entire name by placing the prefixes followed by the ligand name in ABC order before naming the metal and charge in Roman numerals in parentheses. Examples include PT NH34 SO4 is tetraamine platinum 2 sulfate. Na2 PbCl3F is sodium trichlorofluoro plumbate 2. Here is a review exercise for you to try. 1. Name each of the following complexes. A. K3 FeCN4 I2. B. CO H2O2 En2 2 plus. C. Zn CN3 OH2 NO2 4 minus. 2. Write the chemical formula for the following coordinated complexes by description. A. Cation of Li plus and a complex anion containing Cu2 plus as the central ion with 3 Br minus ligands, 2 Co ligands, and an I minus ligand. B. A coordination compound containing B5 plus as the central ion with 3 NH3 ligands, 1 H2O ligand, and 2 Cl- ligands, and a counter complex ion with Au3 plus as the central ion with 6 Cn- ligands. For the remaining part of this lecture are solutions to review exercise or problems. Please view only after completing these exercises.